Previously on Sailing Doodles, we sailed across the Pacific Ocean to the Marquesas, and we welcomed a new crew member, Pete, on board. We rented a car today, so we were off to go check out the rest of the island that we haven't seen yet.
Yay!
Super excited. Excited.
Island tour.
Hopefully we see some tikis. The big ones, or the smiley ones.
This was the 4x4 truck we rented for the day. It was $100. Alright, so we are off in our rental truck rather. I think the most exciting thing that we're all excited about, if that makes any sense at all, let me rephrase that. I think the thing we're most excited about is there's
AC.
Air conditioning.
Nice and cold.
Yeah.
Cold AC.
Other than one brief moment in the bank the other day, it's our first time in air conditioning in a month. So
Your head is still soaked in sweat though.
I know.
As we talk about
It's hard.
yeah.
our first stop for the day was the main cemetery for the island, where apparently Paul Gauguin was buried. Can't say that I've been to too many places that have or cemeteries that have a view. Too many places that have had a view like this, let alone a cemetery. Apparently Paul Gauguin is buried here. We'll try to find his grave. I imagine it might be one of the mausoleums up top, but we'll look for that. It was actually fairly easy to find. The famous actor and singer Jacques Brel was buried nearby too. So we're here in the Marquesas hanging out. We got some extra cruisers we're hanging out with today. Great guys. This is Gabriel and Angela. Say hi.
Hello.
So he's in the restaurant business. Tell us what do you got going on there?
I've got a restaurant called Miramar Bistro just outside the city of Chicago in Illinois. And it's a great place, miramarbistro.com.
Yeah, there you go. So we've been smoking cigars, hanging out. We're going to go doing a tour today. So you guys, we've been hanging out for a couple days. It's been a lot of fun.
It's been fantastic.
It's great meeting you guys.
Well,
You're a good tour guy.
you know, well, let's go see the rest of the stuff.
There you go.
All right, let's go. From there, we drove to the other side of the island, where one of the more extensive collections of tikis and ancient villages was. One of the best parts about the drive was stopping to check out the views on the way. Well, this just happened.
Yes, is that back wheel spinning?
Yes.
Actually,
All of us.
We'd have to jack it up.
no, I don't know if they...
wall bombing?
Well, that turned out better than I thought. I thought for sure we were screwed, but... With the crisis averted, it was time to have some lunch by the beach. So it's not bad when you're traveling with a chef and a restaurant owner. You get things like this for lunch and snacks. All kinds of cheeses, sausages and stuff, some chorizo. What do we got there?
You don't even know how happy I am when I walk into a store and the French products. The butter they have at that store is unbelievable.
After lunch, it was time for the real gem of the trip, checking out the tikis. So these are all like heads. You can see like the face, you can kind of see the weather, but you see the face there, you can see the face on this one, the face there. So they like, yeah, from Headhunters. Like cannibalism is not far removed from this place, seriously.
So when your mom said your head was full of rocks,
yeah, there you go.
go.
No, but apparently according to the sign over there, I mean like this is where the noblemen lived, and they like would capture rival chieftains from nearby and like sacrifice them and eat them here. I mean,
is this your head?
That was seriously, that's
Look
a
how
head.
big it is.
Yeah, look how, I know, it's great. You see, pick his nose right there. But I mean, like you hear stories that like cannibalism is not. I mean, like it's happened in the last like 10 years or something, like something weird. But I don't know. I have stories you hear from other cruisers. I don't know if that's true.
Well, we saw a lot of people drive in this direction, and no one's actually gone back.
That's right.
So.
So after escaping the cannibal headhunters, it was time to head to the beach. Pretty much our last stop for the day, I think, here. Nice little beach. Be great. I think the bay is too shallow here for sailboats. Otherwise, it'd be a great little place for it. This place is very pretty and very wild. We were just talking, and we may think, you know, there's got to be ruins out there undiscovered out here. They live a pretty simple life here, but they live a happy life, so not a bad place for it. One thing I'm glad we had enough battery power left in my drone to do was to fly out to this rock. Looks like somebody actually sculpted it into a skull's head. It could be natural or man-made, but I think it's pretty cool. Fun day cruising around, and now it's beer 30 or sundowners or something, so cheers.
Cheers.
I'm
Cheers.
in tour.
And tour.
Cheers, Tommy.
Thank you for watching another Sailing Doodles video, and as always, this channel is funded by viewers like you. Check out sailingdoodles.com and become a patron.